सरकार काम करती है। The government works. The government helps people. मैं नागरिक हूँ। I am a citizen. I am an Indian citizen. मंत्री आए। The minister came. The minister visited us. राष्ट्रपति आए। The president came. The president met students. मुख्यमंत्री आए। The chief minister came. He visited the city. राज्यपाल आए। The governor came. The governor attended the event. संसद चली। The parliament met. The parliament discussed a bill. विधानसभा शुरू हुई। The assembly started. The assembly held a meeting. कानून मानो। Follow the law. The law protects us. प्रधानमंत्री बोले। The prime minister spoke. He gave a speech. नियम मानो। Follow the rules. Rules keep us safe. नई नीति आई। A new policy came. The policy helps farmers. विभाग खुला। The department opened. Visit the education department. अधिकारी आए। The officer came. The officer checked the file. जनता खुश है। The public is happy. The public welcomed the plan. वोट दो। Cast your vote. Every vote counts. विकास हुआ। Development happened. The village is developing. Budget आया। The budget came. The budget was announced. Tax भरो। Pay tax. Pay tax on time. चुनाव हुए। The election was held. People vote. योजना शुरू हुई। The scheme started. The scheme helps students. लोकतंत्र मजबूत है। Democracy is strong. India is a democracy. मंत्री मिले। The minister met people. He met villagers. सरकार मदद करती है। The government helps. It helps poor people. नागरिक जिम्मेदार हैं। Citizens are responsible. Good citizens follow rules. संविधान सर्वोच्च है। The constitution is supreme. Respect the constitution. न्याय जरूरी है। Justice is important. Justice brings peace. अदालत खुली है। The court is open. The court heard the case. न्यायाधीश आए। The judge came. The judge gave the decision. पुलिस आई। The police came. The police helped us. पुलिस हमारी रक्षा करती है। The police protect us. They keep us safe. शिकायत दर्ज करें। File a complaint. He filed a complaint. अनुमति मिली। Permission was granted. I got permission. License बनवाओ। Get a license. He has a driving license. पासपोर्ट तैयार है। The passport is ready. I got my passport. पहचान पत्र दिखाओ। Show your ID card. Show your ID. कार्यालय खुला है। The office is open. Go to the office. फाइल तैयार है। The file is ready. Check the file. दस्तावेज जमा करो। Submit the document. Submit your papers. आवेदन करो। Apply now. Apply on. फॉर्म भरो। Fill out the form. Fill the form carefully. हस्ताक्षर करो। Sign here. Sign the document. सूचना पढ़ो। Read the notice. Read the notice board. घोषणा हुई। The announcement was made. Listen carefully. बैठक शुरू हुई। The meeting started. Join the meeting. फैसला आया। The decision came. The decision was fair. आदेश मानो। Follow the order. Obey the order. नियम बदल गया। The rule changed. The new rule is simple. सेवा अच्छी है। The service is good. Public service matters. अधिकारी व्यस्त हैं। The officer is busy. Wait for the officer. नगर निगम काम कर रहा है। The municipality is working. It cleans the city. पंचायत की बैठक है। The village council is meeting. Attend the meeting. जिला बड़ा है। The district is large. Our district is famous. राज्य सुंदर है। The state is beautiful. My state is green. देश आगे बढ़ रहा है। The country is progressing. India is progressing. सीमा सुरक्षित है। The border is safe. Soldiers guard the border. सेना मजबूत है। The army is strong. The army protects us. नौसेना तैयार है। The navy is ready. The navy protects the sea. वायु सेना शक्तिशाली है। The air force is powerful. The air force protects the sky. सैनिक बहादुर हैं। Soldiers are brave. They serve the nation. मतदान शुरू हुआ। Voting started. People voted peacefully. मतदाता आए। The voters arrived. Many voters came. उम्मीदवार जीता। The candidate won. He won the election. प्रचार शुरू हुआ। The campaign started. The campaign was peaceful. परिणाम आया। The result came. The result was announced. बहुमत मिला। They got a majority. The party won a majority. विपक्ष बोला। The opposition spoke. They asked questions. प्रस्ताव पास हुआ. The proposal passed. Everyone agreed. बिल पेश हुआ. The bill was introduced. The bill was approved. कानून बना. The law was made. The new law helps people. कर कम हुआ. The tax was reduced. People were happy. Budget बढ़ा. The budget increased. Education received more funds. योजना सफल हुई. The scheme succeeded. Many people benefited. विकास तेज है. Development is fast. Roads are improving. जनता संतुष्ट है. The public is satisfied. People are happy. अधिकार जानो. Know your rights. Rights are important. कर्तव्य निभाओ. Perform your duties. Do your duty. ईमानदार बनो. Be honest. Honesty is the best policy. देश से प्यार करो. Love your country. Respect your nation. राष्ट्रीय ध्वज फहराओ. Hoist the national flag. The flag flies. राष्ट्रगान गाओ. Sing the national anthem. Stand with respect. स्वतंत्रता दिवस मनाओ. Celebrate Independence Day. We celebrate proudly. गणतंत्र दिवस मनाओ. Celebrate Republic Day. Watch the parade. संविधान पढ़ो. Read the Constitution. Learn your rights. देश की सेवा करो. Serve the nation. Help your country. स्वच्छता रखो. Keep cleanliness. Clean your surroundings. मतदान करो. Vote wisely. Every vote matters. नियमों का पालन करो. Follow the rules. Rules keep order. शांति बनाए रखो. Maintain peace. Peace is important. एकता बनाए रखो. Maintain unity. Unity makes us strong. जनता जागरूक है. The public is aware. People know their rights. अधिकारी सुन रहे हैं. The officers are listening. They heard the complaint. समस्या हल हुई. The problem was solved. Everyone was happy. सेवा जारी है. The service continues. The office is working. नई सड़क बनी. A new road was built. Travel is easier now. नया स्कूल खुला. A new school opened. Students are happy. नया अस्पताल बना. A new hospital was built. People got better care. भारत महान है. India is great. We are proud of India. देश हमेशा आगे बढ़े. May the country always progress. Work for the nation. जय हिंद. जय हिंद. We love our country.